Are you ready to supercharge your marketing automation? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to choose the right workflow actions in HubSpot, step by step with the latest 2025 updates. Whether you're creating your first workflow or refining your automation strategy, this guide will help you pick the perfect actions that actually move the needle. Let's dive in. Before we start, here's why choosing the right workflow actions is crucial. These actions define what happens after a contact enrolls, whether that's sending an email, updating a property, creating tasks for your sales team, or even triggering internal notifications. The better your choices, the more seamless your marketing and sales alignment becomes. First, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to Automation greater than Workflows. Select the workflow you want to edit or create a new one. Once you've set your enrollment triggers, it's time to add actions. Click on the plus icon in your workflow. HubSpot will show you a variety of action types. Here's a quick breakdown of the most common ones and when to use them. Send an email, perfect for nurturing leads with a series of targeted emails. Delay, add strategic pauses between actions to avoid overwhelming your contacts. If then branches, create conditional paths based on contact behavior or property values. Set property value. Automatically update contact, company, or deal properties to keep your CRM clean and up to date. Create task. Alert your sales team to follow up when a lead shows buying intent. Rotate leads. Distribute leads evenly among your sales reps for faster response times. Trigger another workflow. Connect multiple workflows for advanced automation. When choosing actions, always think about the goal of your workflow. Is it lead nurturing, sales handoff, customer retention? For example, if your goal is to warm up leads, focus on email sequences, delays, and property updates. If your goal is internal alignment, use tasks, internal notifications, or Slack messages. In 2025, HubSpot's AI can even suggest actions based on your previous workflow performance. So review those suggestions, but always tailor them to your strategy. Once you've added your actions, review the flow carefully. Make sure the sequence makes sense, avoid unnecessary steps, and test your workflow before turning it on. Run a test contact through the workflow to ensure every action works as expected. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to choose and set up workflow actions in HubSpot for 2025. The key is to always align your actions with your goals. Don't add steps just for the sake of automation. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and leave a comment with what kind of workflows you're planning to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.